Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Roomba Cleaning Head Module is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining your robot vacuum's peak performance, ensuring it effectively tackles dust, debris, and pet hair from every corner of your home, and it's crucial to understand its role in the overall cleaning efficiency and longevity of your Roomba, as a worn-out or damaged module can significantly hinder its ability to keep your floors spotless. Number 5. HEPA filters for iRobot Roomba E, I and J series. Keep your home exceptionally clean with these high-efficiency HEPA replacement filters. Designed for a deep clean, they ensure only fresh air is released. These filters are engineered to be compatible with your iRobot Roomba E and I series vacuums. Enjoy a perfect fit and optimal performance every time. This value pack includes 12 HEPA filters and a convenient cleaning brush. You'll have everything you need to maintain your vacuum's peak condition. For the best results, clean the filters every few weeks and replace them every 2 months. This ensures your vacuum continues to perform like new. Crafted from high-quality materials, these filters offer a reliable and affordable solution. Keep your vacuum running efficiently without breaking the bank. These filters are designed to meet original standards, providing durable polypropylene and HEPA quality. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to maintain your Roomba's performance, this is a great choice. It provides a large quantity of high-efficiency filters and a brush, ensuring your vacuum continues to capture dust and allergens effectively. This pack is ideal for households that clean frequently and want to keep their E, I, or J series Roomba running like new for longer. What people say. These filters worked well. I'm always amazed at how much dirt they capture. I've been able to hit the filter on the side of my garage can to get the dirt out and reuse them several times before replacing. With 2 very furry dogs, my Roomba is my best friend, and my secret weapon against the never-ending tumbleweeds of dog hair. Replacing the filters regularly is key to keeping my Roomba running smoothly and efficiently. These filters are such great quality and you can clearly see the results of them working with every change. Perfect fit. Number 4. Goodsby Replacement Cleaning Head Module for Roomba EIJ series. Is your Roomba not cleaning as effectively as it used to? This replacement cleaning head module is designed to bring back its powerful suction and roller rotation. This complete assembly includes the main housing, dual rubber extractors, and the internal drive motor. It comes pre-assembled, so you can install it easily and quickly. This module is compatible with a wide range of Roomba E, I, and J series robot vacuums. Please check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your model. Your package will include 1 cleaning head module and 1 set of roller brushes. Everything you need to get your vacuum running like new again. We are committed to providing you with the best quality products. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we are here to help if you have any issues. Please note that this cleaning head module is not compatible with Roomba combo mop vacuums. Ensure your model is not a combo mop before purchasing. What we like. If your Roomba's cleaning performance has noticeably declined, this complete cleaning head module is what you need. It comes pre-assembled with dual rubber extractors, ready to restore powerful suction and roller rotation. This is perfect for users with E, I, or J series Roombas whose original cleaning head is worn out or damaged, bringing back that deep cleaning capability. What people say. The Roomba Cleaning Head Module is a direct replacement part that fits perfectly. It effectively picks up pet hair and debris from both carpet and hard floors. The design allows for easy removal and cleaning of the brushes, preventing tangles. Number 3. iRobot Roomba Enhanced Cleaning Head. Introducing the Enhanced Cleaning Head for your Roomba. It's designed to significantly improve your cleaning experience. This advanced brush assembly is engineered to capture even the finest particles from your floors. Enjoy a deeper clean with every pass. It seamlessly integrates with your existing Roomba. This includes all 500, 600, and 700 series models. Give your robot vacuum a powerful upgrade. Experience the difference superior cleaning technology can make. Simply replace your old cleaning head with this enhanced version. It's an easy way to boost your robot's performance. What we like. If you own an older Roomba model from the 500, 600, or 700 series, this enhanced cleaning head is designed for you. Its specialized brush assembly is engineered to pick up even the finest particles, offering a superior clean for those specific models. Consider this if you want to upgrade the cleaning efficiency of your legacy Roomba. What people say. Works better than original, maybe a little quieter too. Works great, not particularly more or less noisy than the original. This fit perfectly into my Roomba 550, it was thumping and getting stuck due to a broken old brush cage. This was easy to install, fits in the exact way the old one comes out, and it works perfectly again. Number 2. Roomba EIJ Series Cleaning Head Module. Keep your Roomba running at its best with this authentic OEM replacement cleaning head module. It's designed specifically for your E, I, or J series robot. This module features advanced extractors to effectively lift dirt and debris from your floors. Experience a deeper clean with every pass. Designed for a wide range of models including the E5, E6, I1, I3, I4, I6, I7, I8, J7, and J8 series. This ensures a perfect fit for your robot. Get everything you need to maintain your robot. This package includes a brush cleaning tool for easy upkeep and 2 dustbin sensors. Keep your cleaning head performing optimally with the included brush cleaning tool. It makes removing tangled hair and debris simple and quick. Don't let a worn-out cleaning head compromise your robot's effectiveness. Replace it with this genuine part to restore its powerful cleaning capabilities. What we like. If you prioritize genuine parts and comprehensive functionality for your Roomba, this authentic OEM cleaning head module is the best option. It not only includes the essential extractors but also comes with a cleaning tool and the crucial dustbin sensors. This is ideal for owners of E, I, or J series Roombas who want guaranteed compatibility and all the necessary components for optimal operation. What people say. Easy install, fit perfect, and works great. Fixed our Roomba after we were sure Adelaide was headed for retirement. Easy to install and addressed all error codes. Was very easy to install on my own. It fit perfectly and it's held up for a few months already, so I guess we'll see how long it lasts. I had the vacuum for several years before having to replace this part. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 800-900 Series Replacement Cleaning Head Module. Introducing a brand new replacement cleaning head module, designed specifically for your iRobot Roomba 800 and 900 series vacuums. Ensure optimal performance with this essential component. This part is engineered for a perfect fit, compatible with models such as the 860, 861, 870, 880, 890, 960, 961, and 980. Get your vacuum back to its best. Is your Roomba not cleaning as effectively as it used to? This replacement module will help restore its powerful suction and deep cleaning capabilities. Replacing the cleaning head module is a straightforward process. You can easily install this new part yourself and quickly get back to a cleaner home. Crafted with quality in mind, this module is built to last and provide reliable cleaning performance. It's the perfect solution to keep your iRobot Roomba running smoothly. What we like. If you have a Roomba from the 800 or 900 series, this replacement cleaning head module is specifically what you need. It's a brand new part designed to fit models like the 860, 870, 960, and 980, ensuring your older robot gets a fresh start. Choose this if you're looking to replace a worn-out cleaning head on these particular Roomba series. What people say. Easy to install. After the door broke on the original part, this has been a great replacement. My Roomba is working like a new machine after not having a good seal when the door broke off. Would recommend to all for replacement part. Was easy to put in and my vacuum is back to running good. Easy to install and now my Roomba works as it should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.